Welcome to Compare to Win. The best backyard sign is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful elements for personalizing your outdoor space, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. Whether you're aiming to welcome guests, display your family name, or simply add a touch of whimsical charm to your garden, making it a crucial decision for anyone looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and express their individuality. Number 5. MeMate Backyard Paradise Signs. Imagine a sign that truly reflects your style. You can customize it with your name, a special year, or any text you desire, making it uniquely yours. Crafted from non-toxic, odor-free wood, this sign boasts a beautiful finish. Its single-side print and superior painting ensure vivid colors and lasting durability for years to come. Choose from 5 convenient sizes, ranging from 8 to 18 inches. This ensures it will perfectly complement any decor area you have in mind. Designed for ultimate convenience, it comes with a simple rope for effortless hanging. You can display it anywhere you wish, without any complicated installation. Whether indoors or in a cool, dry outdoor spot, this sign enhances any area. It also makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, housewarmings, or any special occasion for loved ones. What we like. This sign offers unique personalization options, allowing you to create a truly special piece. Its durable wood construction ensures it will last, and the included rope makes hanging a breeze. If you are looking for a thoughtful, custom gift for a housewarming, birthday, or any special occasion, this is an excellent choice to add a personal touch to any outdoor space. What people say. Number 4. Gardening because murder is wrong metal sign. Looking for a special present? This humorous metal sign is ideal for anyone who enjoys gardening or unique home decor. It brings a playful touch to any outdoor area. Perfect for your garden, backyard, patio, or porch. This vintage-style sign adds charm and humor, making it a delightful accent for your home. Crafted from durable aluminum with a glossy finish, its bright colors resist fading. This weather-resistant sign is perfect for both indoor and outdoor display, staying vibrant for years. Measuring 8 by 12 inches, it features pre-drilled holes for simple hanging. Display it on a wall, fence, or shed using rope, nails, or tape. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or housewarming parties. Whether for yourself or a loved one, it adds a unique and playful touch to any outdoor space. What we like. This sign brings a touch of playful humor to any outdoor space with its witty text. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant aluminum, it promises vibrant colors that won't fade over time. If you appreciate a good laugh and want to add a quirky, long-lasting accent to your garden, patio, or porch, this sign is perfect for you. What people say. No review content was provided in the source. Unable to extract helpful points as the source is empty. Number 3. Artlunar Funny Garden Sign. Surprise the gardening enthusiast in your life with a gift that brings a smile. This humorous metal sign adds a touch of laughter to any outdoor space. It's perfect for those who appreciate a good joke. Crafted from durable aluminum, it's built to withstand all weather conditions. This ensures it remains vibrant and colorful, season after season. It's an excellent addition to any garden decor collection. Displaying it is incredibly easy thanks to its pre-drilled holes. You can mount it on fences, walls, or gates. It's a simple way to instantly add personality to your backyard. Whether you're seeking gifts for women, unique garden accessories, or a special home decor item, this sign is a versatile choice. It fits a variety of tastes and preferences. It's truly ideal for any gardening enthusiast. This makes a wonderful present for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special day. It's a thoughtful gift that will be cherished by anyone who loves spending time in their garden. Give them something they'll adore. What we like. This humorous metal sign is designed to bring laughter and personality to any garden. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's built to withstand the elements and maintain its vibrant look. If you're searching for a unique, funny gift for a gardening enthusiast that's also incredibly easy to hang and enjoy, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Funny metal tin sign patio porch signs. Discover the perfect touch for your patio, porch, or backyard. These signs add a unique charm to any outdoor area, making it more inviting and fun. Crafted from high-quality metal tin, they are harmless, rust-free, and fade-resistant. Each sign features rounded corners for a sleek and safe finish. Installation is a breeze with 4 pre-drilled screw holes. You can easily mount them using double-sided foam tape, command strips, or traditional nails. Ideal for patios, porches, backyard bars, or pool areas. They serve as fantastic decorations, bringing personality and artistry to your outdoor living. Looking for a unique present? These artistic signs make an excellent gift choice for friends and family who love to personalize their outdoor spaces. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied or have any questions, simply reach out to us for a full refund or a new package. What we like? This sign is made from durable metal tin, ensuring it's harmless and resistant to rust or fading. Its design includes rounded corners for safety and multiple pre-drilled holes for easy installation with various methods. If you need a versatile sign that can be easily mounted in different ways and adds an artistic touch to your patio or porch, this is a great pick. What people say. Number 1. Metal garden decor, funny garden signs. Brighten up your outdoor space with a touch of wit. This rustic metal sign features funny sayings, perfect for those who love plants and gardening. Its charming design is sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. It's an ideal way to express your personality in your yard or patio. Crafted from high-quality metal, it's made to endure all weather conditions. You can count on it to maintain its beauty season after season. Looking for a thoughtful present? This makes an excellent housewarming, birthday, or just because gift for mothers, grandmas, and all plant enthusiasts. Lightweight and easy to hang, you can place it almost anywhere. Whether in your garden, on your patio, or even inside, setting it up is a breeze. Its rustic charm isn't limited to the garden. Use it to enhance your home, farmhouse, garage, or even as a quirky accent in your bathroom. What we like? This rustic metal sign features witty sayings, adding a unique touch of humor and charm to your garden. Its high-quality, weather-resistant construction ensures long-lasting beauty in any outdoor setting. If you're looking for a versatile piece that can enhance not only your garden but also your patio, yard, or even indoor spaces with a distinctive rustic feel, this sign is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.